The South African Football Association (SAFA) has officially announced Dobsonville Stadium in Soweto as the venue for Bafana Bafana's crucial friendly match against Ghana, set to take place on 16 December. The encounter will serve as the national team's final tune-up before departing for Morocco for the 2025 Africa Cup of Nations. Bafana Bafana have already assembled at the High Performance Center in Pretoria, where preparations have intensified ahead of the continental showpiece. After securing a bronze medal at the previous AFCON in Ivory Coast, expectations are high for Hugo Bross's men to deliver an even stronger campaign this time around. Bross has called up a competitive squad as South Africa readies itself to challenge the heavyweights of African football. Drawn in Group B, Bafana Bafana will face Egypt, Angola and Zimbabwe in a demanding opening round that will test both their resilience and ambition. SAFA confirmed that Ghana fixture in a statement on its official platforms, highlighting the significance of the friendly as the final assessment before the team jets off to North America. The association said Bafana Bafana will host Ghana at the Dobsonville Stadium in their final match before departure to the Africa Cup of Nations in Morocco later this month. The South African men's senior national team will welcome the West African to Soweto on Tuesday, 16 December 2025, and then depart for Morocco on the following day ahead of their participation in the tournament, which runs from 21 December 2025 to 18 January 2026. Bross noted that the landscape has shifted since their impressive showing in 2024, cautioning that the element of surprise his team once enjoyed no longer exists. He said, "In Cote d'Ivoire, we caught people off guard, but this time teams will have done their homework," emphasizing the importance of Ghana clash in gauging the squad's readiness. The showdown in Soweto is expected to draw significant interest as fans look for early signs of Bafana Bafana's form before they embark on their latest quest for continental glory. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.